Well, hello again. Another weekend headed south, gonna do a new peak. We're gonna head up to South Mountain today in the LaSals. We slept last night right here at the trailhead. We've got my friend's Escapade, which worked out great because it got so cold out here last night. Like everything is just covered in ice and frost. I was toasty warm inside the Escapade, but like, look at that, the whole windshield's frosted over. So it's chilly, but the fall colors are amazing, and it's gonna be a good cold day to get up to a peak. So we just got to the saddle. We're gonna take a quick break, pee, grab some pictures, take a little snack, and then we're just gonna follow the ridge basically straight up to South Mountain. There's a cairn right there, so I know we're on the right path, and we only have about maybe half a mile to a mile left from here. Getting a little nervous because this cloud has been building up for like the last 15 minutes. I'm so close to the summit. I really hope it's not gonna rain or snow on us. You never know what can happen up here. But woo, this is steep. Once again, I'm glad I wore my compression socks. Yeah, I'm out of breath. So close. Woo! Made it up! Woo! It was 3.3 miles, 1,800 feet elevation gain, and it took us about 2.5 hours. Dan's actually quite a bit further down from me. I'm hoping he's gonna make it up. We didn't talk about a plan of what to do if one of us don't summit, so I think I'll hang out here for like 10 minutes or so, put my layers back on, and start heading back down to see if I see him, because I don't want to hang up here too long if he's not going to come. But wow, these views, oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, I finally did this one. South Mountain, woo! Wow, so freaking cool. Yeah, Dan made it! baby, you made it. Good job.
Yellows and reds.
Good doggies.
Snow.
Okay, so we made it back to the car. We've got our campfire going. Getting some hot liquids in me, the cup of soup. I love this stuff. It's like 50 cents per packet. Great way to warm up and rehydrate. It was a great day. It took us about 5-6 hours round trip. And as you can see, the dogs are definitely tired. So it was an awesome day. I liked that peak. It was really cool. And yeah, this view from camp is pretty awesome. Thanks for tagging along. Hopefully we'll see you on the next peak.